guys, Jessica Kabasi here. In today's video, we're gonna be taking pictures of strangers in Beirut, Lebanon. I would say this is my second hometown. My parents are from Lebanon. My family's from here. This is the culture that I grew up around, and yeah, so I really want to show you guys where I'm from, you know, the people. I think everybody has a preconceived notion of the Middle East as being a certain way, so I hope that us taking pictures of strangers, you guys are gonna see a different side to the Middle East that isn't really shown a lot in the media. So for today's video, I have my two photographer friends here. They're gonna be joining me and taking pictures of people they don't know and people I don't know out in the streets. We're actually in the Hamra right now. It's like a shopping area. It's pretty trendy, it's pretty hip, right? Would you guys describe it as that?
Very tourist-like.
Yeah.
Everyone knows
I would
Hamra.
say it's full of life.
Yeah, it's very active, so I thought it would be the perfect place to do this video in Beirut.
Hi, my name is Kaiwan. I am a freelance photographer and content creator where I make YouTube videos. And I am originally Kurdish from Iraqi Kurdistan. And for today's video, I'm gonna use Canon 5D Mark IV 85mm 1.4 Sigma.
My name is Ata Al-Bizanti. I'm from Libya, but I live here in Lebanon. I've been living here for the past 3 years. I study in university, something completely different from photography. I do pre-med. Today I'm going to be using the 6D camera, which is my baby, and Kaiwan lended me his Sigma Art lens, the 35 1.4, which is a very terrible choice because he's never getting it back.
Nowhere to be found after this video.
No,
she's gonna blog me.
Not gonna be.
On all social media, like nothing. This video, I'm really excited to do, but really nervous. I really want to make you guys proud over there. Please don't roast me in Arabic in the comments, you guys, please, because I can't. My Arabic's like slow reading, but I can read it if I try. I'm gonna be using my 5D Mark IV and then my 50 1.4 lens, and I guess that's it. It's time to go, you guys.
Let's do it.
You guys ready? I'll meet you guys there. I'll see you guys out there. Mimi and I'm just gonna like freshen up a little, you know. Okay. Okay, so I'm just feeling like I want to throw up. I can't believe I'm doing this again.
You're gonna do fine.
Jessica, listen to me. Just do it.
Are you quoting Nike? We're gonna get copyright strike. Oh crap. Did I just do this? Did I just do this? Look at this. I'm a mess, you guys. Someone come take me, please.
Okay.
تعال نصلي يعني ركعتين قبل ما نعمل هيك. Everyone just come say a prayer.
يلا صلاة استخارة.
Okay, this is fine. I feel great. If I can get beeped at every day, then I can do this. Okay, let's just go.
Yeah.
Let's just do this. Okay, where's Hassan, Liza? Typical Arab. I invited my cousin and he's late. And just for reference, I told him at 6. It's like 6:20 now. So he's later than the late that he was supposed to be. You know, all the beeping, it just adds to the ambiance of this place. It's lovely.
Are you ready?
No. Okay, so we're entering the street where it kind of, the Hamra begins. Oh my God, my anxiety is like 1,000% right now. You know what? It takes me a couple of minutes to just get into it, you know? It's like a pool. You gotta like wait a couple minutes and then you jump in.
Yeah, exactly.
And possibly drown, but right now it's fine. I got floaties on. Maybe I'll just like wait here and see. I'll just wait and see who passes by. Hey, like this girl. عفوا فيني أسألك سؤال. أنا مصورة وعم باخد صور على العالم تبع لبنان. Like, can I take your picture? في صورك? Okay, no problem. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, it's fine. Okay, that's the first one. Historically, I need 2 more.
How about this guy?
What, a guy? You know I can't talk to opposite gender people. Okay, so while I was too nervous to ask somebody, Ata already asked somebody, so good for her, man. At least someone's doing something. Honestly, like, can you just do the whole video without me? Because you just killed it. Good job.
First of all, don't ask people who are already walking, ask people who are standing.
I like this girl. Yeah. Okay, so we'll find some standing people. I'm gonna ask this guy right here. He looks like he looks like he's not doing that much. We'll ask him. في أسألك سؤال. I just wanted to know if I can take your picture. He has some good lighting in here. Will you sign a release for me? Yeah? Okay, يلا. خليك هيك beautiful. Oh my god, amazing. Honestly, this is going right in my portfolio, like first page. Okay. What about those guys across the street at the... You think they would do it? Yeah. Okay, let's go. But first, we gotta cross the street. So good luck to me and good luck to everybody. You're on your own on this part. Okay. Here we go. هاي كيفكم؟ كان بدي اسألكم إذا في آخذ صورتكم؟
بس صورتنا؟
إيه. اثنيناتكم مع بعض؟
صورت كثير اليوم عيد ميلادي يعني كنت عم صور فيه بس يلا.
يلا هيدا لعيد ميلادي.
صورة عالمية طبعا.
Yeah. Amazing. هيك لحالكم هيك خليكم هيك. اوكي هيك. واو كثير يعني احلى صورة بالدنيا. ايه يلا تعال معنا يلا. Oh my god, I would have never in a million years have done that otherwise, but I'm proud of myself. Let me ask this old man. Should I ask this old guy? What do you think? What do you think? This guy? Where'd he go? He disappeared. You guys, he's gone. Oh.
في اخذ صورة لكم هيك على القعدة هي. حلو. هو احنا عم بناخذ هيك فيديو انه بنصور ناس بيروت وهيك وكلها يعني ناس بلبنان هون.
ما تكونوا شحاتين العالم.
اكيد شو
طلع فيكم ولا بدون ما نطلع خلينا
هيك عم
مثل ما بدكم.
طبيعية. ايه استاذ عماد خبرنا. صرنا مشهورين.
انا معدل ما بخلوا لي صوره انا معدل.
بدك شو بدك؟
لازم انت وراك المنظر كله يعني. انا عن جد وراك المنظر كله كيف ما بنصور. شكرا.
واو.
شكرا كثير عمو.
اوكي. إذا بدها واحدة.
يسلموا.
I took this half and he's like, no, you need to take a whole one. So thank you so much. شكرا. يلا هلا بنرجع بنصورها. Thank you so much.
شو بتستفيدي من صورتك؟
هو انا بحب اخذ صور للناس هون يعني ببيروت وبلبنان انه صور ناس عشوائيه هيك مشان مبين الحياه الطبيعيه تبع لبنان.
انتوا منين انتوا؟
انا من ليبيا، هي لبنانيه وهو من العراق.
طب احنا جوزي كويتي واحنا كويتيين بدك ننسى.
عادي هي كلها على الناس صراحه. شفتي انا مني لبنانيه وهو باخذ صور انه هون يعني.
إذا بدك
طبعا يعني.
عادي عادي.
اخذت اول امراه.
تعال تصور معي، تعال خليك معي. تعال.
I'm sweating because of the humidity here. It's so hot. Alright guys, so now it's my turn. كيفك؟ أنا ما أريد تاكسي بس أريد صورك إذا في مجال. نحن نقوم بتجربة اجتماعية من لبنان، نمثل لبنان ونريد صور تمام؟ أوكي. خليك هنا. نايس. كيفك؟ أنا مصور وأريد صورة كذا في المجال. هل أنت مرتاح؟ لا؟ أوكي شكرا. One rejection. كيفك عمي؟ أنا من العراق وحبينا صورتك إذا في.
ساعد تاكسي.
هاي أنت ساعد تاكسي. ممكن توقف هنا؟ إيه. الباك جراوند كثير حلو. حلو جدا.
بس مبين مني حلو انا.
لا والله انت حلو. شوف شوف شوف. شوف اناقه، كلها اناقه. يا هلا حبيبي، مشكور. يا هلا. ممكن سؤال؟ انا مصور واريد اخذ صور الجماعه من لبنان، والفيديو راح تكون على اليوتيوب.
بدكم صورة؟
بدكم صوره؟
ابتديتكم؟
اوكي. لا ليش؟
Why?
You look beautiful. Come on.
You don't want a picture? ايه.
Okay.
بنفرج العالم.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, stay there. Beautiful. Is it okay if I take a photo of you?
Yeah. Your dog? What? With your مع الحيوان كمان؟
Can I?
شو
Can I?
اسمه؟ اسمها لايكا.
Okay. Leica is a brand. Okay, can you look here? Yeah, nice. Stay like that. Beautiful. Okay. Thank you. Okay, no. Oh, that was... Ouch. I am a photographer. And we're doing a video shooting stranger in Beirut, in Lebanon. The whole point of this is to show the diversity in Beirut. So, is it okay? Sure. You guys stay there. I will... Okay, wait.
Where are you guys from?
Norway.
Oh, Norway. That's awesome. Okay, stay there, guys. Nice.
I'm from California. My dad's from Beirut.
So I'm just like a
My
traveler,
mom's, like, Peruvian.
you know,
Awesome. I'm
freelance
from
photographer,
Michigan.
and
No, thanks so much. Good luck with your project.
you were so good.
I start to get really nervous and then the picture doesn't come out good and I forget to like take a good picture because I'm so nervous. Let me ask her. Hi, كيفك؟ في صورك؟ No, ما بدك صورة? Are you sure? Okay, no problem. Thank you. Thank you.
I think that was the same girl we did.
No. Yeah. No, I never asked her. No. You're right.
Yeah. Yeah. We even have a video.
Oh my god, I asked the same person twice. Oh my god, it's so cringe.
We got two rejection with the same person.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. خلص, this video is done. We're done. This video is done. We're done. Hi, في صورك؟ ايه صورك. Okay, cool. That was so easy. Thank you. Okay, actually خليك هيك. Hold on. انت من لبنان؟
لا سوريا.
اوكي واو اوكي تشرفنا. انا شكلي من وين؟
لبنان؟
I mean امريكاني بس من لبنان كمان. عائلتي من لبنان. Thank you. كلك ذوق. Thank you.
That was easy. I'm telling you,
Just stare at people. Literally, I just came out I'm like, actually, let me just do one more since we're out here anyways. Why not? Maybe if I start dancing, people will be like, hey, like, who's that clown? And then they're gonna be like, they're gonna know the clown is me, and then they're gonna cross the street, and then like, I'm gonna be like, hey, you want a picture? I'm about to be rejected, but say a prayer. يعني شكله بسم الله, I can't speak. You guys are very pretty, like حلوين ومرتبين, فكان بدي صوركم هيك.
انا يعني
بس صورة هون, بس صورة هون, طيناتكم. شو منظر حلو ايه. يس شو هيدا حليب؟ لبن احلى شيء لبن. Okay, so let's take a cute picture, okay? Yeah. Okay. مع بعض شوي, مع بعض. عم بتفرجوا اللبن خلي هاي في اسالكم سؤال في صوركم
فور وات؟
بتحكوا انجليزي؟
لا عربي لا.
اوكي انا بصور الغريبين بلبنان
وبدي احنا مش
لا عفوا العالم انا ما بعرفهم. ايه هيدا قصدي
قد ايه رح تاخذ وقت لانه احنا
هلا 30 seconds هيك.
يلا
اوكي ايه شكرا. ايه عم
It's not a prank, right?
نو I'm a photographer. انا مصوره بامريكا بس انا من لبنان كمان. ايه شكرا والله كلك ذوق. اوكي خليكن هيك لوين رايحين انتو؟ ياني ذا كومبوزر. اوكي كثير حلو. اثنيناتكم يعني خلق. Oh, you guys are sisters. Oh, cool. Oh, it's so cute.
Don't look alike.
You know, me and my sister, they get the same thing. I don't want to. ما بدي أخركم بس شكرا كثير. والله enjoy your concert. Bye, you guys. See you. They are so sweet, and they're going to the Yanni concert, so I didn't want to make them late. They were super nice. Everyone here has been really nice. So definitely a success. I think that wraps up taking pictures of strangers. Let's go and do the recap, shall we? Okay, that's the end of the video. We finished.
Yeah, it was great.
That was awesome.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, here we go.
Hey, how are you feeling?
Better.
So, as you can see, we have
Queen. The Queen is back. How was it? Did you have fun?
I had so much fun.
You did so good.
I had so much fun.
Well, a good job. I mean, this was great. It's such a good experience. We met so many cool people. So let us know which photo you guys like best and which interaction did you guys enjoy the most. And did you guys like the fact that I approached the same girl twice on accident? She said no both times. I did. It was so awkward. She's like, no. I'm like, and then he's like, oh, you know you asked her before. I'm like, it was cringe. It was so cringy.
No, it was okay because we did like 2 rounds. We came back and we saw the same person. So
I didn't realize. Like I think I was like, you know, you don't pay attention. I'm like, oh hey, and then she's like,
Did she say no?
Yeah.
One said no before I even said anything. Literally, they just saw the camera. They
No.
were like, nope.
But you know what? There were more people who said yes than said no. You have to go through the nose to get that one yes.
I mean, it's just the happiest day of my life. Here with Jessica Kobesi, guys. If you're a fan and want to meet Jessica Kobesi,
Just be at a
and you see her
Starbucks.
on the streets, don't hesitate to say no.
I mean, I love meeting you guys. I love to have you guys and like involved in this kind of stuff. You guys, I picked the right people for this video. All right, guys. So thanks for watching, and let me know which place you'd like to see me photograph strangers in next. Leave your comments down below, and we'll see you guys later.
bye.
Bye, guys. بنشوفكم.
Woo!